I'm gonna actually record on my GoPro now because my phone went dead. So I'm in room 7371 and it is an interior. So when you walk in, this what you got, baby. Closet space right here on the side. Yep, plenty of closet space for me anyway. And you have another, oh, you don't. All right, restroom is right here. Right, is outside. So this is the restroom. It smells very clean in here. That's what I love. The shower is small, but that's for any cruise ship. Unless you get in the suite and baby ain't got that kind of money, okay? So this is my room. It is a king bed. They also have a curtain here. I believe this is a pull-out. You can turn it into a sleeper. I could be wrong. I think I am wrong. But you could, somebody could sleep right here if they want. But it's just me, so you can pull these curtains closed if you want privacy. If you want to do that, you can do that. So if somebody wants to sleep, if somebody wants to sit right here and watch TV, this swivels. That swivels quite a lot. I ain't gonna do too much. I'm trying to break it and pay for it. But anyway, that is that.